Hello, hello, what's up, Bahrain? You know, as I've said earlier in my previous vlog, 30 minutes of everyday brisk walking is preferred for adults to maintain their, healthy body. So now, mag-iikot-ikot tayo sa Bahrain. You know, I'm craving for a food, something that I haven't eaten for quite a while. And it's very affordable. It's actually an Indian delicacy. So, samahan niyo po ako. We're gonna walk. And let's feel the heat. You know, ang sarap magpawis. It's nice to sweat it all out and maintain our health. So let's go to Bab al Bahrain. I'm trying to look for my favorite Indian food, which is called Panipuri. Bahrain. I'm with my friends. Guys from India, right? So, as I've said earlier, my favorite Indian food is Panipuri. Let's go ask them, what is Panipuri? Guys, what is Panipuri?
Not Indian food.
It's not Indian food.
Yeah, we are from Kerala.
Okay.
We can understand that's Panipuri. We can explain.
It's a street food.
Yeah.
But you eat Panipuri?
Still not more.
Not much. But you can find Panipuri all over India. Even in Kerala, there is Panipuri.
Kerala not too much. Some place. North Indian.
North Indian.
Like Mumbai, Ahmedabad. We are from Kerala.
Straight. Little. Okay. Alright. Guys, together we say, what's up, Bahrain, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. What's up, Bahrain? Shukriya!
A few moments later.
What's up, Bahrain? We're here in Bab al Bahrain, MANAMA. And na-miss ko po ito. I really miss this. This is what they call Panipuri. This is an Indian food, Indian delicacy, and I love to eat this. Yan, makikita nyo po, this is made of flour. Ito po yung tinapay, it's crunchy. Para siyang chicharon. Ang gagawin po natin, binubutasan po yan sa gitna. And ito po yung sahog ng Panipuri. So meron silang parang mashed potato here, then the green sauce, tapos meron silang spicy sauce. Ang gagawin po natin, yan, ilalagay po natin yung laman sa loob. Ganyan. Bawal pa po kasi ang dine-in, so ibubuhos natin ganon. Bubuhos pa. Then ibubuhos din yung sauce. And then, sinusubo ko to ng buo. You have to eat it one time. Ako ganito. Butasan mo ganyan. Yan, lalagyan natin ng laman. Ano ba yung laman? Sige nga. Isang bagsak ha. You have to eat once. Go. Yes. So there you go. One of my my favorite Indian food, Panipuri. And to know more about, watch this. Know more about Panipuri. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Hi! So from Bab al Bahrain, we're walking now going back to HOORA. We're currently in Exhibition Road. Ayan po. And I'm actually soaking wet right now, but it's all worth it. I was able to eat my favorite Panipuri. Ayan, Bab al HOORA daw. For the longest time, I haven't tasted this Panipuri. So, craving, done. Satisfied. Hope to see you on my next vlog. So, keep safe, stay healthy, and of course, once again, much love from here in the Kingdom of Bahrain. So, once again, what's up, Bahrain?